What's up, you guys? Coffin Cummins here. So, if you have blinker issues with your second gen Dodge Ram, hopefully this will help you out, because I've pretty much done everything, and let's just get to it. So for the past few days, I've had no blinkers. I've had hazard lights, brake lights, and I know this is a common issue with these second gens. So normally people say, oh yeah, replace your multifunction switch. Did it? Did it help? No. Place your under here, there's a, sorry for the light, but under there there's going to be a relay. It's your flasher, one of your flasher relays. Did that help? No. Checked the fuse boxes, or this fuse box, everything seemed to be fine. That 20 volt fuse thing, that was fine. In the under the hood, everything was fine. And when you look at it, you think everything is labeled, but in actuality, this guy right here, that blue fuse right there, is also one of your flashers. This one is the one in my case, I have to replace. And a good, quick little tip, if you could see, sorry, that gray one right above it, and if you suspect it's this blue one that's bad, go ahead and swap them and check your blinkers then. That's what I did, and ended up being this fuse, and I'll go ahead and show you that right now. So as you can see, well, what the heck? Well, it looks like I don't need, oh freak, nope. Yep, I do need a relay. Perhaps just a bad connection, but yeah, so as you see, this one's pretty much terrible or bad. That was just a fluke. Go ahead and take out this gray one, swap it out, put it in. Boom. And everything's good. Sort of sucks that I had to go buy a flasher and a multifunction switch, but I mean, those are notorious for going bad, so at least I won't have to replace it down the line. But yep, that's about the end of the video. Hopefully this helped you guys out. Yeah, go ahead and get back on the road. Peace, y'all.